Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to automate browser tasks. Open Automate on your PC. In the Automate application, you will see an option labeled Get for Chrome. Click on it. After clicking on Get for Chrome, a new window will appear. Click on Add to Chrome to install the Automate extension on your Chrome browser. Once you click on Add to Chrome, a confirmation message will pop up. Click on Add Extension to confirm and install the extension. After successfully adding the extension, you will see its icon appear in your browser's toolbar. Click on it to open the Automate extension. Inside the Automate extension, you will see several options such as Workflows, Package, Schedule, Storage, Logs, and Settings. Click on Workflows and then click on Add to create a new workflow. Here you can give your workflow a name and description. Within the workflow editor, you will find various options like Trigger, Execute Workflow, Delay, Export Data, and etc. Scroll down in the workflow editor and drag the new tab block to the desired location. This block represents opening a new tab in the browser. You can customize the new tab by entering a URL such as YouTube and adding a description if needed. Scroll down further in the workflow editor to find more options and blocks that you can add to your workflow. For example, you can add an Execute Workflow block to your workflow, which allows you to call another workflow from within the current one. Select the workflow you want to execute from the available options, and you can also delete this block if needed. Click on the three vertical dots icon to explore additional options and functionalities available within the Automate extension. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.